I almost said good morning. Good night. So today I traded BLIN and I shorted 50 shares at 12.35. So I put this line here to mark the first candle bottom as like my base level, and then so that was my support level, and once it broke through I was like, okay, we're going down 50 shares, right? But I had a fat finger mistake because I ended up buying 50 shares. So when it spiked on me, and my risk was this first candle, I think. No. Yeah, I think this was my risk. It had to have been 1241. Or no, this was my risk, 1263. And when it broke, so I think that I'm 50 shares short. It breaks my risk and I want to buy to cover, right? So when I press buy, it tells me I don't have enough money in my account to buy. And I'm like, and I barely slept, and people were working on the bathroom, and I was just like in a daze, right? And I was like, what do you mean I don't have enough money to buy? And then I was like, you know what? I'm just going to buy 10 shares and I'll slowly wiggle out of my position, because for some reason, like, I was getting scared. I was like, what the hell's going on? So I ended up buying more shares, right? By the time I looked at my position, I was long 50 shares, 1235. I had bought 10 shares. I was ready to get out of the squeeze right here. I was ready to buy to cover at 1330, thinking I had lost all this money. Meanwhile, I should have sold my position, right? So, because it was basically a dollar, a dollar of gain. So I bought 10 shares here. Good thing I didn't buy 50, right? And then I bought 10 shares at 1289. So a complete mess, but I ended up making, I think, $19, because I was in from, by the time I got out, okay, I got out at 1274. So on my 50 shares from 1235 that I bought, I sold at 1274 on the way down, of course. And the position that I had from 1330 and 1289, I obviously lost about $6 on that. But I made $40 on this little position by accident, but I lost like $6. So I think it was just $20 of profit, to be honest. So that was my fat finger mistake on Bridgeline, BLIN. BLIN is a meme stock that is super overextended with a lot of volume resistance. Low float, still has some volume, but it's off of its highs. So that was my idea going into this short. And from where I was like, okay, this makes sense. But as you can see, it pretty much would not break down very much, and it's because of this whole meme stock thing. Where are we? Even though it was projected to go to $7. So that was that. And what else? I think that's it. Space is doing well. So tomorrow, if it can gap up, I'll be selling my space position. I think I have 40 or 50 shares. Let me see. Yeah, I got 50 shares at 47.04. And then in my retirement account, I'm in way up high at 53.10. 40 shares. So those are my plays for now. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you later.